Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you how to import and apply effects on your Final Cut Pro. After years on YouTube watching long Final Cut Pro tutorials, I wish that someone had made a channel like this, so I could learn from quality content that was straight to the point. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch this video until the end so you can learn as much as you can. My goal is to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. So who don't like to use cool and nice effects in your videos? Me personally, I like to use a lot, and I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. But make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with more than 1,000 assets, okay? Transitions, sound, effects, generators, a lot of cool stuff. Sticking to the end. First thing that you gotta do, you're gonna go to downloads and you're gonna open the folder that you have. In my case, Cine Punch Bundle. You're gonna go to the purple folder and we're gonna use the effects folder. You're gonna open that. We're gonna go in the search bar and you're gonna look for motion templates. So after motion templates, you're gonna go to effects, and the only thing that you gotta do is drag the effects that you download or that you bought and put in that folder. And that's pretty much it. Easy. Just dragging and drop. After that, we're gonna go to the effects tab on Final Cut Pro, and you see they have a lot of these different glitch effects that you can apply and use in all your projects. And now I'm gonna show you when you can use glitch effect on your projects. You can be creative, there's so many ways, but this is just some of it that came in my head and I'm gonna share with you, okay? One of them could be like a robot point of view. It's gonna give that futuristic, cool, robotic vibe. Another case that we can use the glitch effect would be for bad TVs, or when you like switching channels, or when there is like a problem, doesn't work very well. The other situation that you can use is like turning on and off a camera or turning on and off the TV. And the other case that you can use is kind of like a scary movie or project, and the music start to build and the actor is just like in this room and there is this corner camera looking inside of the room or the space, and the only thing that you know is like, I think that's one moment that you can use like glitch. So that's it for me, straight to the point. I hope that you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. And now, as I said, it's giveaway time. It's very easy. All that you need to do is subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and tell me, why do you think that you deserve to win a Cine Punch bundle with more than 1,000 assets? Seriously, it's like crazy. I didn't even have time to go over all of these things. It's definitely more than you're ever gonna need for your whole filmmaking career. Let me know in the comment down below, and good luck. I hope that you guys enjoyed these tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.